Hi guys! Welcome back to my another product video sa aking YouTube channel. Filipino naman tayo. Namiss ko na kayo. Ang tagal na hindi ko pa nagawa ng Tagalog ng vlog dito sa Gabby Hizon Vlogs. Busy ako kung mag-English ng Gabby Hizon TikTok, ang second account ko sa YouTube. So for today's video anyway, mag-review tayo ng aking conditioner. Again, yung sachet hair treatment. This Uni-Keratin Brazilian Hair Treatment, Instant Brazilian Blowout, Daily 1-Minute Treatment. Sa baba, nabasa ito ay Intensive Repair for Smooth and Straight Hair. Nabasa ito guys, Morocco Argan Oil. Dapat sila mga variant. Meron silang black, gold, red, and pink. Yung ginagamit ko dati, yung pink, yung color. May color din talaga. Yung black, guys, meron siyang vitamin E and aloe vera. Yung gold, meron din siyang bamboo extracts and argan oil. Yung product na to, guys, product ni Ate Chris Bernal, tsaka si Queen Ai. Ito, pinakagusto kong brand na keratin, yung conditioner. Kasi sa Keratin Plus, pinakagusto ko, pinaka-bet is much better than Uni. Pero sa likod, mabasa natin dito, Uni-Keratin Brazilian Hair Treatment with Moroccan Argan Oil restores softness, smoothness, strength, and shine to hair. It also helps to repair brittle damaged hair. Uni-Keratin Brazilian Hair Treatment with Moroccan Argan Oil makes hair easier to style, amazingly effective to straighten hair beautifully. Ayan, oh guys, meron siyang parang almond or something. Argan oil talaga siya. And dito naman, meron din siyang vitamin E. Ito yung expiration date. Wala po dikita. Expiration date is February 15, 2029. Manufactured by Uni Elements Enterprises, 584 MacArthur Highway, Malanday, Valenzuela City. Made in the Philippines. Basahin natin itong how to use itong direction. Remove excess water after shampoo. Apply Uni-Keratin Brazilian Hair Treatment and leave on hair for 1 minute, then rinse with water. For best results, style hair with blower. Use Uni-Keratin regularly for salon beautiful hair. So, nabili namin ni Mami punta sa Robinson Supermarket sa outlets. Mga 39 pesos. Yung pink, 36 pesos. Yung ginamit ko dati. Yung hanap ko ibang brand na conditioner, yung sachet, mura lang na Brazilian hair treatment. Yung gusto nyo na something mabango, super bango, like the florally, fruity scent. Yung amoy nila, yung amoy ito ng kulay red, kulay pula burgundy. Habang naliligo na gamit ko, bango to, amoy cherry scent, cherry blossom talaga. After ko siya maligo, after gamit ito yung hair treatment, yung conditioner na Uni-Keratin. Binablower lang ako na cold setting, hindi ako gamit ng mainit, masyado, baka damage. Nag-blower lang ako after maligo guys. Hindi ako gamit masyadong heat styling tools. Hindi ako na-plancha. Hindi ko gamit masyadong hair straightener para hindi masunog tsaka heat damage. So, tapos na ako kanina mag-shampoo. Itong conditioner na-apply ko na. So, umabad ko itong mga 1 minute. So, I'll be back, BRB. Mag-blower ako. Tapos na ako maligo at patuyuin ang aking hair. Yan. Baluskaran. See? Parang glassy at shiny talaga siya. Ayan. Ano ba talaga? Wala naman sabit. See? Nagamit ko yung cold setting na blower after using this Brazilian hair treatment na Uni-Keratin. Super ganda sa hair talaga. Shiny at parang glassy talaga. At ang bango pa niya, may cherry talaga yung scent niya. Diba? The scent reminds me na Palmolive or Cream Silk na conditioner. Yung black pink. Yung Palmolive na pink din. Yung shampoo and conditioner. Parang coconut cream talaga. Ginamit ko yung dati, no? medyo naamoy ko pag flip yung hair ko. Amoy cherry talaga. Mabango siya. Talaga. Ayun. Mahabang yung bangs ko. Mukha akong Japanese at Hapon yung bangs ko. Para kita-kilay ko, kailangan mag-trim. Bukas, pag-upit ako ng low taper ulit. So, ayun nga. Thank you guys for watching. And kung gusto nyo bumili for only 39 pesos to sa Robinson Supermarket. Sa ibang supermarket, meron dun sa Pure Gold tsaka Robinson Supermarket. Yung nasa South Supermarket, yung punta namin ni Daddy, tsaka yung bilhin na sa SM Supermarket, bili ni Mami, wala dun Unique Keratin. Dalawang supermarket, South tsaka SM Supermarket. So, yun lang. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and click the notification bell and subscribe. Bye!